Hello students, this is lecture number 6 of chapter 4 basic algebra and algebraic manipulation of your D-1 book. So exercise 4C question number 1. Statement is simplify each of the following expressions. So I'm doing part A here. So I have been given an expression, algebraic expression. We have to simplify it in part A. In part A, the expression is 1 over 4 into x plus 1 over 4y minus 1 by 6x minus 1 over 10y. So these so first step is to separate the like terms. So we can also write this 1 over 4x as x over 4, and this minus 1 over 6 will be x over 6 because x into 1 is x. Similarly, 1 over y will become y over 5, and this will become y over 10. Now we have two x terms and two y terms. In x terms, first term has positive sign, whereas the second term x by 6 has negative sign. So when the signs are opposite, we do subtraction. But these are fractions. So how to add or subtract the fraction? Obviously we have to find the LCM of the denominator first. So the LCM of 4 and 6 is 4 and 6. 2 to the 4 and 2 3. Thus its LCM will be 12. You can see that 2 to the 4, 4 3 are 12. So its LCM is 12, whereas the LCM of the denominators of y terms will be 5 and 10. So it will be 10. So LCM is 10. So you have to multiply the denominators, like 4. To make it 12, I need to multiply it with 3. Similarly, the same number will multiply with the numerator. Now 6. How to make it 12? Just multiply 6 by 2. Similarly, the same number will multiply with the numerator. So here we are left with 4 3 12. 12 is the LCM, whereas x3 3x and minus x multiplied by 2 gives you 2x. So this is the addition or subtraction. Is basically subtraction of the two fractions of x terms. Similarly, in the y terms, we have to multiply 5 by 2 in order to make it 10. The same number will multiply with the numerator. So 10 into 1 and y into 1 because it is already 10. So the combined fraction will become 10. Y into 2 gives you 2y, and minus as it is, y into 1 is y. So in the numerator you can see that 3x minus 2x, it gives you x, and denominator will 12 as it is. Similarly, 2y minus y, opposite sign subtraction, so we get y, 1y or y. Or you can also write it by 1 over 12x plus 1 over 10y. Alright, next question, part D. So this is part D. In this part we have f, h, k. So f terms, h terms and k terms. So separating f terms first, we get 2f minus 1 over 2f. These are f terms, and h term will be 5 over 3h plus this one 5 over 4h. And finally we have two k terms, 9 over 4 k and minus 28 over 5 k. So we can write them 2f over 1, 2f can be written as 2f over 1 minus f into f over 2 minus 5h over 3 plus 5 by 4 or 5h over 4. To make it bit simpler, you can write the positive term first, 5h over 4 minus 5h over 3 and plus 9k over 4 minus 28k over 4 over 5. So the LCM of first 1 and 2 will be 2. So it means in the first numerator we have to multiply 1 by 2, similar the denominator by 2, and the same number will multiply the numerator, and 2 multiply by 1, similarly f multiply by 1. So LCM is 2. 2f into 2 gives you 4f and 1 into f gives you f. Alright, then the next one, 4 and 3, the denominators. So their LCM will be 12. So it means 4 multiplied by 3 and 3 will multiply by 4. So 4 3 are 12. 5h into 3 gives you 15h minus 5h into 4 gives you 20h plus sign. Then LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So 4 will multiply by 5 in order to make it 20. Same number will multiply the numerator, and 5 will multiply by 4 and numerator as well. So 5 for the 20, so 20 is the LCM or denominator of the combined fraction. 9k into 5 gives you 45k. Similarly 28k multiplied by 4 gives you 112k. Simplifying it, 4f minus f gives you 3f over 2 plus 15 minus, it will become minus 5h over 12 plus negative 112 and positive 45. Subtraction. So we get negative answer obviously. So 12 minus 5 7, 10 minus 4 6, so 67k, negative 67k over 20. Okay, simplifying it, 3 by 2f, this plus into minus gives you negative sign, 5 over 12h plus into minus, minus 67 over 20k. So this is your final answer. Next question. Question number 2. Expand and simplify each of the following expressions. Part A. In part A we have 5a plus 4b minus 3c minus 2a. So I'm opening the bracket. First I'm writing 5a plus 4b minus 3c minus 2a minus 3 by 2b plus 3 by 2c. So opening the bracket, 5a plus 4b minus 3c as it is, this negative into plus negative, 2a, negative into negative positive, 3 by 2b, and negative into positive gives you negative 3 over 2c. Now combining the like terms, 5a and this minus 2a, 4b plus 3 over 2b or 3b over 2 and minus 3c minus 3c over 2. So they are the like terms. 5a minus 2a gives you 3a, whereas these terms are fractions like 4b over 1, and LCM is of 1 and 2 is 2, so I will multiply 1 by 2 and the same numbers multiply by the numerator. So I get LCM is 2, 4b into 2 gives you 8b plus 3b. Similarly the next one is, I am just writing the positive sign before it. So the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. So 3c into 2 gives you minus 6c and minus 3c. So simplifying it, 3a plus 8b plus 3b gives you 11b over 2 and plus minus 6c minus 3c, same signs addition, minus 9c over 2. So simplifying it, 3a plus, or we can also write this expression as 3a plus 11 over 2b plus into minus minus 9 over 2c. So this is your final answer of part A. Okay, next part D of the same question. 1 over 2 into square bracket start 8x plus 10 minus 6 into round bracket start 1 minus 4x round bracket end square bracket end. So first of all we will remove or open this round bracket inside this square bracket. So 1 over 2 into 8x plus 10 as it is minus 6 into I'm actually removing this bracket, so minus 6 into 1 gives you minus 6, minus into minus plus 6 into 4x gives you 24x. Alright, in the square bracket I am combining the like terms, 8x plus 24x plus 10 minus 6. So 1 over 2 as it is, 8x plus 24x, like terms addition because both have positive signs, same signs. So 8 plus 24 gives you 32x as it is. Similarly 10 minus 6, opposite sign subtraction, 10 minus 6 gives you plus 4. Now this 1 over 2 is actually multiplying by each, or multiplying with each of the terms written in the bracket. So 32x over 2, similarly 4 over 2. So actually 2 divides both of them. So 2 16s are 32. Similarly 2 2s are 4. So we are left with 16x plus 2. So this is the final answer of part D. Alright, next question. Question number 3. Express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form. So I'm doing part A first. So we have to make these two fractions or convert these two fractions to single fraction. So you can see that denominators are 2 and 5, so their LCM will be 10. So I'm multiplying 2 by 5 in order to make it 10. Similarly, I'll multiply 5 by 2 in order to make it 10. So LCM is 10. X into 5 gives you 5x plus 2x into 10 gives you 20. So we get 5x plus 20x. Like terms addition, same signs. So 25x over 10. Now you do some cancellation. 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. So the final answer will be 5 over 2x part D now. Part D. So in part D we have 3x over 8 minus x plus 2 over 4. So LCM will be 8. So I multiply 2. Similarly this will multiply by 2. Or this will be multiplied by 1 and this will be multiplied by 1. So 3x into 1 gives you 3x, and this negative minus 2 is because of this negative sign, minus 2x. Similarly this negative will multiply by positive sign, negative, and 2 into 2 gives you 4. So 3x minus 2x gives you x minus 4 divided by 8. So this is a single fraction that was expected from us. Next part H. Three p minus 2pq over 3 minus 4p minus 5q over 4. So in this question the denominators are 3 and 4, so LCM will be 12. So I am multiplying 3 by 4 in order to make it 12, and this 4 will multiply here as well. Similarly 4 will multiply by 3 and 3 will multiply with it. So LCM is 12. 4 into 3p gives you 12p minus 4 into 2q gives you minus 8q. Similarly minus 3 into 4 minus 12p, and minus 3 into minus into minus plus, 3 5s are 15, q as it is. So 12p minus 12p, they are cancelled out. Minus 8q plus 12, 15q. Opposite signs, so subtraction. So we have 7q over 12. So this is your final answer. So I'm giving you some practice questions as home assignment. Question number 1, 2 and 3 the same exercise, all the parts. Alright, take care. Allah Hafiz.